Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. There's actually a new rideshare company. You know, you're talking about that, right, Izzy, with like how there needs to potentially be a new competitor?
Yeah.
There is one. It's called Alto.
Yeah.
Startup rideshare company Alto says it is carving a place in the market focused on employee-based premium vehicle private hire transportation, totally at odds with the bargain basement offerings. So it's a little bit more expensive, but it's a better experience because they're using these cars. I believe they're Buicks. They're like fancy cars.
Yeah, the inside is really nice. Like I've seen pictures, and then what's cool is that like they have like actual training for the employees, and I think they go through a lot more steps to hire the drivers rather than just having like anyone sign up real quick.
Yeah. Yeah, it's more like, and they do pay drivers as an employee. You're not a contractor.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, like the people I know, one of my friends, he always orders an Alto because they're pretty popular in LA now. And he always does Alto because he knows he's getting a guaranteed like good experience. And it's more professional, and it's not even like that much more expensive.
That's pretty cool.
But yeah, they're in Dallas.
Yeah, I know that like the inside of the car has different features. Like you can connect to the car, like if you download the app and just start playing your own music. Or you can like request different things, like if you want to have a conversation or not.
Oh wow.
I don't know.
That's cool.
But yeah, I guess it's not available in too many cities yet.
Yeah, they're just starting, but I mean, they could definitely be like a big game changer. But yeah, let's
meet
continue.
Paul.
What?
You want to meet Paul?
Who's Paul?
The video.
What?
Oh, is it the video that you pulled
meet
up?
Paul. Yeah, sure. Let's watch this real quick.
My name is Paul, and I drive Alto.
I thought you were saying Paul like your dog or something. I was like, what?
I used to own my own little business on the side I was doing, and I also drive for Uber and Lyft. So when the whole pandemic happened, I had to shut it down, and I got to the point where I started looking for a new gig. So I came about Alto. I didn't really know what it was all about, but I wanted to give it a try. The best part about driving for Alto is the fact that they pay the drivers by the hour. The fact that they also offer the passengers safety. I think that's a big thing for me. And the amount of care and support that I got from the management, they made me feel like family. It made me feel like, we're one. Like I've been knowing them for a long time.
Guys, please, if you're watching this and you enjoy the live streams, click the thumbs up button, right, Izzy?
Yeah, hit the thumbs up button.
Please, if you want us to do more live streams. Do you like doing the live streams, Izzy?
Yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah, guys, if you want more, thumbs up, okay?
And that, was something that was very important for me. And since I started, I've enjoyed it. Everybody works well together, the drivers, and it's just...
I'll be right back in a second.
Okay.
The fact that we come and we offer the passengers a safe way of getting to the destination, I love that. I enjoy it. It makes me look forward to coming to work every day.
So there you guys have it. Alto, employee drivers, better rideshare.